Welcome to our video on 12 timeless kitchen design ideas for a modern and functional space. Today, we're diving into essential elements that not only elevate the aesthetic of your kitchen but also enhance its practicality. From the charm of open shelving to the elegance of marble countertops, we'll explore design ideas that seamlessly blend style and function. Get ready to transform your kitchen into a modern haven with our top selection of timeless design concepts. 1. Open shelving. Open shelving is a popular trend that offers both style and functionality. Instead of traditional closed cabinets, open shelves allow you to display your favorite dishes, cookbooks, and decorative items. This design choice gives the kitchen a more airy feel, making the space appear larger and more inviting. It also keeps everything within reach, making it easier to grab what you need while cooking. To keep the shelves looking organized and stylish, consider using matching dishware or decorative baskets. However, it's important to keep the displayed items neat and clutter-free, as open shelving can quickly look messy if not maintained properly. 2. Minimalist cabinetry. Minimalist cabinetry provides a sleek and streamlined look that is both modern and timeless. Handle-less cabinets with clean lines and smooth surfaces create a sense of simplicity and sophistication. This design choice is perfect for those who prefer a clutter-free environment, as it minimizes visual distractions. The absence of handles also makes the cabinets easier to clean, adding to their practicality. Minimalist cabinetry can be paired with various materials and colors, making it a versatile choice that can adapt to changing trends and personal tastes. 3. Classic subway tiles. Classic white subway tiles have been a staple in kitchen design for decades, and for a good reason. They are simple, clean, and can easily pair with any color or style, making them a timeless choice. The rectangular shape and glossy finish of subway tiles create a polished look that complements both traditional and contemporary kitchens. They are also relatively affordable and easy to install, making them a practical option for homeowners on a budget. Whether used for a backsplash or as a full wall covering, subway tiles add a touch of elegance to any kitchen. 4. Marble countertops. Marble countertops are synonymous with luxury and sophistication. Whether you choose white, gray, or darker shades, marble adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. The natural veining and unique patterns of marble make each piece one of a kind, adding character and beauty to your space. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, marble countertops are also highly functional, as they are heat-resistant and durable. However, they do require regular maintenance to prevent staining and scratching, so it's essential to seal them properly and clean spills promptly. 5. Smart appliances. Incorporating smart technology into your kitchen design brings modern convenience without compromising style. Wi-Fi-enabled ovens, refrigerators, and other smart appliances allow you to control and monitor your kitchen from your smartphone or tablet. This technology can make cooking and meal planning more efficient, saving you time and effort. Smart appliances also often come with sleek designs and innovative features, such as touch screens and voice controls, making them a stylish addition to any modern kitchen. As smart technology continues to evolve, incorporating these appliances can future-proof your kitchen and enhance its functionality. 6. Two-tone cabinets. Two-tone cabinets add depth and visual interest to the kitchen by using contrasting shades for upper and lower cabinets. This design choice allows you to experiment with different colors and finishes, creating a unique look that reflects your personal style. For example, you might choose dark wood for the lower cabinets and a lighter shade for the upper ones to create a balanced and harmonious appearance. Two-tone cabinets can also help define different areas of the kitchen, making the space feel more cohesive and well organized. 7. Butcher block accents. Combining sleek countertops with wooden butcher block accents adds warmth and functionality to the kitchen. Butcher blocks are particularly useful in prep areas, providing a sturdy and durable surface for chopping and slicing. The natural wood grain adds a touch of rustic charm, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Butcher block accents can also be used to create a focal point in the kitchen, such as a butcher block island or a wooden countertop section. To maintain their beauty and longevity, it's important to oil and seal butcher blocks regularly to prevent drying and cracking. 8. Undermount sinks. Undermount sinks create a seamless look that is both stylish and practical. These sinks are installed beneath the countertop, allowing for easy cleaning and maintenance. With no visible edges or ridges, crumbs and spills can be wiped directly into the sink, making it easier to keep the kitchen tidy. Undermount sinks are available in various materials and styles, allowing you to choose one that complements your overall kitchen design. Whether you prefer stainless steel, porcelain, or granite, an undermount sink adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to your space. 9. Statement lighting. A statement pendant light or chandelier above the kitchen island adds style and provides ample lighting for cooking and dining. Statement lighting serves as a focal point in the kitchen, drawing attention and creating a sense of drama. Whether you choose a modern pendant, an industrial fixture, or an ornate chandelier, the right lighting can transform the ambiance of the space. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, statement lights also provide functional illumination, ensuring that you have enough light for food preparation and other tasks. Consider using dimmable bulbs to adjust the brightness according to your needs and create a cozy atmosphere during meals. 10. Integrated storage. Integrated storage solutions, such as hidden drawers and pull-out shelving, keep everything organized and out of sight, ensuring a clean and tidy look. These features maximize the use of space in the kitchen, allowing you to store more items without cluttering the countertops. Pull-out shelves make it easier to access pots, pans, and other kitchen essentials, while hidden drawers provide discreet storage for utensils and small appliances. Integrated storage solutions can be customized to fit your specific needs, making them a practical choice for any kitchen design. 11. Neutral color palette. A neutral color palette of soft whites, beiges, and grays provides a calming, timeless atmosphere in the kitchen. These colors create a clean and sophisticated look that can easily adapt to changing trends and personal tastes. Neutral colors also serve as a versatile backdrop, allowing you to add pops of color with accessories like rugs, dishware, and artwork. This flexibility makes it easy to update the kitchen's look without undergoing a complete renovation. Additionally, a neutral palette can make the space feel more open and airy, enhancing its overall appeal. 12. Large kitchen island. A large kitchen island is a versatile addition that enhances both the functionality and style of the space. Whether used for prep space, extra seating, or entertaining, a spacious island provides ample room for various activities. It serves as a central gathering point in the kitchen, making it ideal for family meals and social gatherings. A kitchen island can also include additional features, such as built-in appliances, storage solutions, and a sink, further increasing its practicality. With endless design possibilities, a large kitchen island is a timeless choice that complements any modern kitchen.